How to remove payment card on ASOS app. The very first thing you want to make sure that the application ASOS is already installed on a device. Once you have the app on a device, open it. Wait for a while for it to load. You need to make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this homepage of ASOS. Once you are in here, head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now scroll down and head over to Payment Methods. It will land you on this page. So in this page, if you have added any of the payment method, then it will be available in here. Right now you can see none of the card is available because I haven't added any of the card before. But for you, if you have added any of the payment method, then all you want to do is click on it. All the details of the card will be visible to you. At the bottom, you'll find the option where it says Remove Card. You simply have to click on it. And for the confirmation, once again click on Remove. After that, your payment card will be removed successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can remove payment card on ASOS app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.